everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atero. If you're new here, you are most welcome. I'm so happy to be back in action after a short break due to sickness. Guys, thank you so much for all the lovely messages, wishes, prayers, and everything. I really appreciate the love, guys. And I'm very fine. I'm done with my treatment and everything. I'm now very fine. I'm back to give you content. Today, I'm very excited to explore the beautiful town and villages of Port Potro with my best friend. For those of you who don't know Fort Potro is a town in western part of Uganda known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Guys, I'm so excited. I personally have never been to Fort Potro. I've only seen Fort Potro on TV and videos on internet, but today I'm very excited. Right now I'm at my friend's place. She's taking shower. As I wait for her, then we go to Fort Potro. We are done with packing and everything. After her taking the shower, we just ran to the bus station. So guys, they told me from Kampala to Fort Potro, it's about 6 hours, depending on the means of transport you're using. If you're using safari cars, it's about 4 to 5 hours. But if you're using the bus, they told me, I'm not sure because I've never been there, but they told me if you're using bus, it's about 6 hours. 6 hours. So we are very excited to take you on this tour, or they call it a short vacation, because we are going to spend there some days. Yes, I hope you enjoy this video and learn something from this video. Let's go. Bye bye for now, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go to the bus station. Stay tuned. Guys, here is the Fort Potro town. For those of you who don't know, we have just reached in Fort Potro town, and the time right now is 6:38 p.m. We left Kampala at 11 something a.m. So it's like we spent like 7 to 8 hours on that way because we had so many stopovers. So guys, this is our day one in Fort Potro. I didn't get a time to do the intro, but right now we are on a border or motorcycle going to the point view of the mountain Rwenzori. As you can see the mountains, they are down, guys. You can see that. And for those of you who don't know, the Rwenzori mountains offer breathtaking scenery. I don't even have to tell you guys that because you can see the view, guys, the view. And the Rwenzori mountains hold cultural and spiritual significance for the local communities.
What more can you ask for if you stay in such a place? Life is perfect.
Yeah.
I'm considered short. But even in Europe, I have the average height.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, wow. Guys. Who said Uganda is not beautiful? What is this? What is this?
So nice.
Very drunk. Look at him. Very drunk.
You are touring.
Yeah.
Actually, it's quite funny.
But we made the right decision to stay down.
Town is good.
I get to access everything. Wow.
And we found the best tour guide.
Yeah, even the host is good.
Actually, if we missed out this, I would have been unhappy.
Now the viewpoint.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Amazing.
Guys, just look at this.
Yeah, don't fall.
Don't fall there.
Yeah, I'm not. If I fall, that is the end for me.
You see there?
Ah,
Come here.
wow. Guys, this is so beautiful. This is Mountain Rwenzori. See the beauty of Uganda. But it looks like a Rift Valley. The road. Guys, we're going to like everything.
I'm coming to this area today. I have to move here. This is my new home.
So the houses are for Bakonjo.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys.
Like that. So nice.
What spring is there?
Really far. We can't see the hot springs today.
Ah, but this road gives anxiety.
Well, money or even Mobama.
Ah,
Wanyapu.
ah. Kwatina kwane. Uganda, the pearl of Africa.
Yeah.
This is what we call the pearl of Africa. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this.
Madame Uganda. You missed out in the selfie. I can't have enough of the content here.
Yeah, I feel like it's enough. The videos you have to click nothing.
That was unforgettable experience exploring the Rwenzori mountain and the beautiful city of Fort Portal. If you are a nature lover and adventure seeker like us, please add this on your bucket list. Thank you guys for joining us on this unforgettable experience of Mountain Rwenzori. I hope you enjoyed the video and everything and learned something from this video. I love you all. See you in the next part of Fort Portal.